my name is Kavya. Today I am going to show you how to make paper frock like this. I am using here plain paper. You can also use printed paper to make the frock. So let's start. In the first step, I am folding it into two equal parts. You have to fold equally so that your frock will be right. Now I am folding this like cupboard shape. Another side I am also doing like this. Now I am doing it like this. Now I will open it. Now I am folding it like this. And again I will fold it like this. Another side you have to do like that only. Now I will reverse it and it will look like this. You can see. Now I will fold it. And then you have to fold it like this. Now you can see it is looking like this. Now we'll reverse it. Now you have to fold it like this. From both the sides. Now from the back side. Now from here you have to fold it like this. Now from back side, this is the hard step. You have to concentrate on this. You have to fold it like this. Now I am going to fold it from here. Now we will make the frock sleeves. So you have to fold it like this. Now your frock is ready. Friends, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification. Bye bye.